In this video, I will show you how to make your mic sound better in Discord. So if you want your mic to sound better, what we can do is we have in here our mic icon. Make sure to turn this on right here. You can also click onto this user settings. Now from in there, you should be able to see in here the settings for your actual Discord. What we can do is we click onto this search, and then from in there, search in here for microphone. So we have in here this my account option. Make sure to go over right to the voice and video. And we have in here our input mode. So in here you can use voice activity or push to talk. So you can allow your microphone to be tested for in here. So we have in here the input device. Make sure to enable first if it's already added, as well as output device. So your mic is actually your input device. So what you can do is we can make sure to use in here your input device and put in here the input sensitivity. Now, if you want to make your sound better, I recommend you to actually install a noise cancelling application. So I actually use Crisp AI for this one. So I use this right here mainly in order to actually filter or cancel out any noises that I have. So let me show you what it actually sounds like when I turn this off. So this is what it sounds like when I turn it off. There are some kind of reverb into what I'm saying, and there are actually some noises and the background as well. So do take note that if your microphone also had a built-in cancellation, they may actually affect your already pre-organized Discord settings for your voice settings as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.